Welcome back to eCreativeAid. How to soothe a UTI. A urinary tract infection, a UTI, is an infection in any part of your urinary system, your kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Most infections involve the lower urinary tract, the bladder, and the urethra. Women are at a greater risk of developing a UTI than men. Infection limited to your bladder can be painful and annoying. However, serious consequences can occur if a UTI spreads to your kidneys. While you'll most likely need antibiotics of some sort to attack the bacteria responsible for a urinary tract infection, home remedies can help alleviate the worst symptoms. Just a bit of baking soda, because acidic urine is what's responsible for the burning sensation someone with a UTI experiences while urinating. Drinking a substance that is more basic, recall the pH acid-base scale from high school chemistry, will help ease the burning. The best way to do this is to mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda into 1 cup of water, then drink the concoction on an empty stomach. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.